everyone, welcome to the Tech channel. Today we have a new tutorial. It's about the servo motor, and here I'm using the MG995 continuous rotation servo motor, just not like the other servo that goes only from 0 to 180 or 0 to 360 degree. It has continuous rotation. You can use it in your project like a robot or something. Because it has very high torque, it can move through difficult terrains or move heavy objects. And I bought it about like $10. It's very cheap, and it comes with different attachments, some wires and things you can place it in your robot or project. It has standard 3-wire connectors with like one for the ground, 5-volt and signal, and here we're gonna wire it with our Arduino board. So before this, let's talk about a little bit about the functions I'm gonna use. As we said, it's not about the position, but it's about speed now. So when we write in our code, write X, the things go from 0 to 180, which is and 90 is in the middle. Normally here when you write 90 it should stop. It depends on the precision of the servo. It can be 90 or 91 or 89, and 180 is the anti-clockwise full speed, and 0 is the clockwise full speed. So here we play with this value to make it turn in a certain direction with a certain speed. We're gonna wire it. It's very simple, 3 wires only. We have the ground and the 5-volt. Then the signal pin is used with a PWM digital output from the Arduino. So here it is. I'm gonna place this attachment so you can see how it's turning, and I'm gonna wire my Arduino and try some codes. Okay, so those are my codes. I'm gonna use them in the same time. You can see what's happening with the servo. So don't mind the things I commented here. We only have this servo motor library, and then we declare our servo. Then this attach, which is standard, I used with number 6. Okay, then we have my servo right here. My stop position is 92. It can be 90 or 91. It's not actually that stop position. It makes some noise sometimes if it stops. I don't know if I can make it do it. No, not for now. So we're gonna try to upload 180. Gonna see what's happening. Okay, my code is uploaded. This is it, 180. It's anti-clockwise rotation, as I said, at full speed. We can decrease speed if we are close to our stop position, which is 92. I'm gonna use 100. So that's 100, same direction but lower speed. Now we're gonna use the clockwise direction speed. This is the full speed at the opposite direction. If we want to make it slow, we should be near the 92. Here we have 88. It's okay. Slower speed. Now we'll try to stop it if it doesn't make a noise. That's my stop position, 92. Sometimes it makes some noise. That's why here, as you can see in my code, we're gonna try it, no problem. you can see I used the function detach. Detach removes the servo completely from the Arduino board, because sometimes the stop position, the servo motor start making a lot of noise. We can try this code, no problem. So it turns in a direction for a certain amount of time, then the other direction, same things, and gonna remove it. And please don't forget, if you're using it in a project, if you want to change direction, never change the direction directly, because it can has a lot of problems. This motor has a lot of torque, and if you change suddenly the direction, it will draw a lot of current from your Arduino board, and it will make it stop. So if you are using it, always use the stop function, or as I used here, detach, or your stop position. And I hope you like this video. I will use it in maybe in future projects, because it's very interesting to use. And if you like the video, please leave a like, comment if you have a problem or you want to ask about anything, and see you next time.
Hey, that's pretty good.